beast in silence. A beast in silence. A beast in silence. Wings of shadow cut the sky. Feathers drip where secrets lie. A serpent whispers in the night. The bird of Hermes takes its flight. Chains unbound, they fall below. What it hides, you'll never know. The bird of Hermes takes the air. With fire in its eyes, it doesn't care. Through the storm, it screams defiance. A rebel's heart. A beast in silence. A beast in silence. A beast in silence. Claws of dusk hit through the light. A hunter's call, a fading sight. It circles high above the fray to steal the sun to end the day. In its beak, the truth it keeps, a secret buried far too deep. The bird of Hermes takes the air. With fire in its eyes, it doesn't care. Through the storm, it screams defiance. A rebel's heart. A beast in silence. 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 The bird of Hermes spreads its wings through shadowed skies where thunder sings. Feathers sharp as a blade is gleam. A silent hunter in a broken dream. It whispers secrets to the night. A dance of fury takes its flight. The bird of Hermes, it won't be tamed. Through storms of fire, it calls my name. It rises high, it burns the air. The battle cries its endless prayer. Each feather dipped in molten gold. A tale of war both fierce and old. Claws that carve the fate of kings. It shreds the dark with ancient strings. Can you hear the beating sound? Wings of fate that shake the ground.